YouTubers, scrappers, YouTubers, or whoever you are. Whoever you are viewing my video, this is Scott, and I recycle stuff. So, this is an aluminium bull bar, and so is that one in there, tucked away in there. Both of them are clean. We just had to take off the steel brackets off of this one, and this one had two fog lights on the front, spotlights, whatever you want to call them. So both of these are now clean and ready to go in. So I'll get clean price for both of them. You can see that one over there is clean, it's got no brackets or anything on it. Alright, so we did go out and do a little bit of street scrapping today. And one of the things I come across was this bath, which is pretty good. This is a thick cast iron bath, and it's got that a bit of brass in there, so that's good. That adds to the flavour. These heavy duty Barbies, one's got legs on it, one doesn't. One's got the I'm not sure what they call them, these things. They're pretty heavy. Don't think that one does. That's got something different. This one's got the hot plate, that one doesn't. So those three items there. Then there's not much on our streets over here. As you can see, I've been hard at it. Took the spotlights off. I've also got this, what is it, iWave microwave, and also a fridge. Now this one doesn't have a cord, right? Cord cutter's got to it. Cord cutter. Bugger. But the fridge has got its motor, and obviously if it's got its motor, it's got its cord. So I've got the full thing here. So that's all I found on our street. It's not much, pretty bare over here. I've cut all that steel up to in size, so it's going to be all heavy steel. I'm hoping to actually get a good pot. So this was down the backyard, this bin. There wasn't much in it, I thought there was a bit in there. So that's all pretty much dirty extruded, or dirty alley, whatever you want to call it. So was that. So between that bin and that, I should be able to get it all in with those two items. That's all clean cast alley. That in there, it's all clean. I don't bother cleaning it all up, especially if there's heaps of screws in it, nuts or screws or whatever. Some of them don't bloody come out. You can get them out, but no. Just involves the angle grinding, don't it? So what I'm up to next is I'll probably strip a little bit of wire that's coming off those spotlights and then get rid of them. I'll see if there's anything off those Barbies that I want. Other than that, the plastic or the knobs can come off, and I'll just put it in as plain steel, heavy steel. But yeah, Definitely want to get that brass out of there. It's a nice chunker. Bit of heavy steel pipe.